Hi everyone, my name is Ibrahim and you are watching my Facebook and YouTube channel. Welcome back to our series on mastering Facebook ads. Today we are diving into one of the most common mistakes people make when running their ads on Facebook, choosing the wrong objective. Understanding and selecting the right objective is crucial for the success of your campaign. Let's get into it. Facebook Ads Manager recently updated the ads objective to make it easier for you to align your ad campaign with your business goals. But with these changes, it's essential to know how to pick the right one. So, what are the new objectives? We now have six simplified objectives: awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, and sales. Let's break down what each one means and when to use them. First one is awareness. This is great if your goal is to make more people aware of your brand or product. Use this when you want to maximize reach and get your name out there. For instance, if you are launching a new product and want to spread the word, go with the awareness objective. Next is traffic. Choose the objective if you want to drive people to your website, landing page, or app. This is perfect for increasing the number of visitors to your online properties. Maybe you have a blog post or a new landing page. You would use the traffic objective to get more eyeable on it. Engagement is our third objective. Use this when you want people to interact with your post, like, share, and comment. It's also great for promoting event or offers. For example, if you are running a contest and you want more like and share, the engagement objective is your goal. Leads, this one is essential if your goal is to collect contact information from potential customers. Use this for lead generation form or instant form within Facebook. Say you want to build an email list, choosing the leads objective will help you gather that information. App promotion is next. Use this when you want more people to install your app or engage with it. If you have developed a new app and want to drive installs, this is the objective for you. Finally, we have sales. This objective is perfect if you want to drive conversation, whether that's online sales, catalog sales, or even in store traffic. Maybe you are running a sale on your e-commerce store. Use the sale objective to boost your conversation. Remember, choosing the right objective is your first step. It sets the foundation for your campaign and ensure you are targeting the right goals. In our next video, we will cover another common mistake: failing to define your audience properly. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and more ideas. Thank you.